Classic report region in Oracle Apex is very powerful and very helpful region type. Many of us they believe that it's very simple, like you can see on my screen that this is a classic report. You can do if there is a need for the static data display, you should go for the classic report. If there is any kind of layout and customization and the colors and you need some specific layout, then you need to create your own region template. You need to go for something else, not for the classic report. Today in this session, you will be surprised to see that this one is classic report, but if you go for this and this is also classic report, and here I have multiple report templates which are which are available by default. You can create your own as well, but they are very powerful. You don't need, really don't need, like this is a badge type, and here cards, these comments, this is also classic report. Content rows, you can see this is also classic report. Contextual information, media list, this is search result type, timelines, and this is also a very good feature that a single row you can a single row can be displayed in columns. And here is advanced. We collect all the columns together and group them and show. So this is not the only thing. In this video we will be looking at something else as well, which is also like if you we believe that classic you cannot modify data in classic report, but with some extension it is also possible. Like uh, I'm going to change this one. I remove this s and see the record is updated. Similarly, if I go to this one, I can update this. If I update this will show some error like this, and the value is reverted. So first of all, we will see the variation and the what and the option template option what we have in classic report. Then later I'll show you how I achieve this update in classic report, because uh, I've seen many developers that they need uh, they create interactive grid just to update single column. For a single column you don't need interactive grid. There are many options. You if you can follow this, and you will see there are a lot of options. You can update anything in the classic report, even the cards, and any type of data, textual data you can update. So let's start from the standard one. So here, this is the very basic layout of the classic report. If I go and edit it, here in the attribute, the template which I selected is standard. Okay, and with the standard there are multiple options you can do, like this is alternative rows. If you want alternative rows color, let me show you. Here there is all rows are single color, but now the alternative rows color is changed, right? This is purely your requirement, what you want. If I go here, I make change back it to alternative row disable. Row highlighting is like when you go and that row is highlighted with the cursor. And this is border style. You want no borders, you can change. You can see this. See, this is also flat data, which is classic report. And here There are horizontal border only, vertical border only, no outer border. Let's let's check this one. See, the data is displayed but without order bed. Very beautiful. So this is a standard way. But not only this, you have other option as well. Let me show you the another template which is alerts. So if you have data something like this, you can show in the form of alert. Uh, Here we have other option as well. See, you can add classes like I show you here. This title text which is black here, you can add CSS to make it colorful. You can change the font style, you can change the size as well. So uh, not if you use if you know little bit about the CSS, you will able to create your required layout. If you go to this badge list, see, I have created this badge list here. So you can even update this, like I'm changing it to like this. You see, yeah, because this is not configured. I'll show you how to configure the update, but this is also possible. You can change it at runtime. Similarly, cards. So we card is also, we have a card region separately as well, but classic report card is also very powerful. I have seen many updates in it, many customization. If you go and edit it, you can see here this is three column, two column float. Like if you don't want, you can float the cards as well. Like I show you here. See, all the cards are for different sizes. And let me change it to back to three columns. Okay, now the icon shape, round, square, animations, raise card. Let's see. Let's check this option as well. See, when I go to there, my card is raised like this with the hovering. This is color scheme that you see the colorful strip on each card, and this is for the icon. If you want to add the icon as well, this is body text lines. How many lines do you want? So not only this, if you want something like card with the pictures, that is like photo gallery, so you can customize this as well. Like like this is my column, the card title. You can change it to below. You can change it to some image, and with a little bit CSS, you can show this card like gallery. There will be pictures and the text over it and the buttons. So you can do modifications as per your need. Another is that the comment style. This button is added by me. You can add your own buttons as well, and this is a badge. It can be your profile picture, anything. And see, guys, I'm not adding CSS. I'm just using the default template option. And if there is something available which is by default, I will recommend do not go for your own customization. This is a low code application. You don't need to code everything every time. So let's check, do we have some customization in this as well? So there are comment style, that is speech bubbles, icon shapes. Let's change the base it to basic and check. Okay, the comment is highlighted. in the bubble, which is now basic now. Another template type is the region, which is content row. This button is added by me. You can add your own buttons as well. So let's see what customization do we have here. Style compact, and the content alignment, which is center by default, you can make it to top. There are not lot of customization, but you are open and CSS is available for you. You can do your own as well. Contextual information, you can add information in this way as well. And there is media list. Media list is also a very pretty and helpful tool. Go here, look for the customizations. This is the layout we see that was in the rows. Every row was stacked on each other, but we can change it to like grid. See here. Okay. See, uh, similar to cards, but not card. This is also available again. I like the stack, so I'm changing it to stack. Default size, you can change the size as well, and the icon shape. So let's check the next template option. Search results, we do have search result as well. Here it is a link, that's why it's giving me the pointer. You can also add link in any of them. This is a timeline. Timeline is also very good if you are going to show progress here. Let's check any, is there any template option. Attribute, template type, theme, and this is, oh, there are no further options. This is value attribute pair. For this, it is you have to add it single row, because this layout is best for the single row. You see here in attributes, I have added the number of row 1 so that the single row is displayed. Now, do we have some template option? Label, layout, alignment, and all. So uh, this uh, um, uh, this is not only this. Let's say if you want to add some link or whatever is your requirement, like this is alert. If you want to add some hyperlink on the alert, you go here. Now go to column. Let's see, this is the alert title. In the alert title, add the HTML expression like anchor tag and all. Let me change it to anchor. Href is equal to, now the name is alert. Let's go to the title, and my tag is closed. So I'm not adding any CSS. You can add CSS here as well. Many customizations are. See, now my every link is a link. Every title is a link. I can click on it, and you can add for further customization if you want. So now the second part, that I mentioned initially, that we are going to change it to editable. How am I doing this? This is very simple method. First of all, let me show you. First of all, you need some application process or an Ajax process, which is a, you can create Ajax process, Ajax callback here, but I have created in the application, on the application level, because I want the same process to be called for multiple pages. Like this is update EBA demo IR project. EBA demo IR is a table which is available in Oracle Apex Classic report. Sorry, that the reporting application which is in the gallery of Oracle Apex. Okay, that table is created by that application, and if you see the code, let me explain you. So there are three parameters. First one is the primary key. In my case, ID is the primary key and it is a single column. You can change to 1, 2, 3, whatever you requirement. Then it is a column name, then the column value. Okay, I'm doing dynamic DML, like update this table, set column value where ID is this. Okay, so this is a simple DML you can see. Now, uh, how this Ajax process is called, how all other things are done. Let me go and show you. Similarly, I've created another application static file because again I want to tell you that I have multiple pages and I want the same feature for all pages. That's why I created application level static file. This is a JavaScript file. So this JavaScript file is creating a listener for that editable region, because by default your all regions are not editable. You need to add this class editable text in that region. So when the page will be loaded, a listener will be created for that region, and what which the field you want to change it to editable, you need to text add this editable text. Okay, uh, this is so if you're using this template, I don't think you need to make changes in it. You can use as it is, and there is a another function as which is for which take item, which is called every time when you click on it, and uh, when you take your focus out, this function is called. So this is the function which is calling that process. So it is taking the item and some old text, new text, and calling this procedure. This is the Ajax callback. Excuse me. Okay, this is the second thing you need to create. Then there is a little bit of CSS as well, editable CSS. Just you need to copy this. Okay, I hope this is very simple CSS. You can easily understand it. Now I'm going. Let's say I want some. Let me open a page. So here we have card alerts, time, media list. Okay, media list. Run it. Okay. I'm clicking on this. but this is not editable. Let's say my requirement is this title and this text should be editable. Okay, so it's easy. Let's create it. First of all, I need to give CSS to the region itself. CSS, which is editable text region. Okay, now for the column, I need to add, let's say, this column. This is the title. Okay, as I mentioned, that we need span class is equal to text, which is with the dash. Okay, then that dash id is equal to id data dash name is equal to. So this will be the column name, not you see here my column name for the title is task name, not the title, not the list title. So this will be the column name. Okay, and this will be the text list title and span. Okay, so that's it. One more thing that I see here, that id column is not available. Let me add the id column in the query. Now run it. So if I click here, so this is, I'm changing the text, the value is updated. See guys, this is very simple if you want. Similarly, if I want to make this column editable, right now it is not editable, only this column is editable. I can change it as, I can do the same pattern. Let me copy the HTML link text. Okay, now the column name is link text, and this is, I guess, project. Change it to project. Okay, let's see the magic. So it is saying that value is large. So let's change this one configuration. Let me remove it. Perfect. This is updated now. So if I refresh it, you can see that the page is reloaded and the text is updated. So I believe this is very, very helpful for you, because many places you need to write, you need to update single column or two column or any text. This is only the you can same follow the same pattern for some other text as well. Okay, so further, I'm sharing this whole application export in the link. You can see in the description. What you need to do, you need to just let me guide you. First of all, you need to go to your free Oracle Apex space workspace, go to gallery, and you need to install, oh my god, you need to install this sample reporting. Yeah, sample reporting application. Okay, first of all, install sample reporting application. Then you need to, I don't know. I, okay. Uh, After the installation, you need to go to import, and the link I have given you, import that application, and you will get this application in your workspace. This is sample classic report. Well, if there is any question, you can add. You can contact me on LinkedIn, or you can send comment as well. Thank you very much.